Population growth. Population growth in Sunbeam City has been increasing a lot. And lately, in Sunbeam City, there has been lack of water. The more people, the less water we have in Sunbeam City. The less water we have, the no water we have. And if more and more people just use up the Sunbeam City's water, we might have none for the future. So, the big question is Sunbeam City in danger of lack of water? The answer is yes. The meteorologist report. This report is about, is Sunbeam City becoming an urban heat island? People and scientists have been wondering, is Sunbeam City becoming an urban heat island? People say the sun's been getting hotter and hotter in Sunbeam City, and especially around the world. The climate change is changing, and over here in the graph it's showing that climate change is changing year by year, and it's getting hotter and hotter. Sunbeam City is located where a flat valley is, in America. The mountain's height is around 610 to 3,048 meters above the valley floor. Sunbeam City is around 3,048 meters above sea level, so that makes nighttime weather colder than usual. The winds from the states are blowing to Sunbeam City can cause dust storms and sandstorms. The weather is pretty good in Sunbeam City, so that perhaps pleases the families in Sunbeam Cities. That's why people are going to Sunbeam City to live in because of the weather. Maybe. In summer, it is 50-50 chance that it will thunderstorm and flood. It is pretty good because Sunbeam City is lacking of water. Because of the population growing, they had to limit the water before they ran out of water. Today, Sunbeam City and the surrounding area get 10 to 15% of water from groundwater, and 85 to 90% of their water from Cross Country River. They use 370 billion liters of water per year from the Cross Country River. Most of the water us used by households. Each home used around 800,000 liters of water. The remaining 10 to 15% of water used by Sunbeam City is mostly from groundwater. It collects from the rain and the snow that melts into the ground from the mountains surrounding Sunbeam City. It takes thousands of years for the water to travel from the mountain tops to the groundwater basin in the center of the valley, with precipitation from the mountains replenishing the groundwater at a rate of about 49 billion liters per year. As you can see in this graph, pollutions are getting up higher in air. Carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, and particulate matter. The more water they use, the less sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide dissolves in water, and maybe this is how it went down because Sunbeam City was using too much water. In an article, it said that carbon monoxide and particulate matter has been rising each year. Particulate matter has shown that the growth rate has been going up since the last decade. If Sunbeam City is air pollution is going up higher and higher, it might be an effect to Sunbeam City. So please help Sunbeam City. If you're wondering if the population growth has been affecting the weather and the climate of Sunbeam City, the answer is yes. The more people in Sunbeam City, the more water they're going to use, and then the more pollution they're going to make. And Sunbeam City needs to be careful. Are they going to use that much? So they have to be careful. I believe that if Sunbeam City is doing what they're doing right now and right at this moment, they might be in big trouble. They might have lack of water and too much pollution that will cause people to have lung problems. So, Sunbeam City, take care of your city. Thank you.